Hello everyone and welcome back to Keto Treat Day with the Keto Treat Gal. Coming at you today with a sweet treat that your kids are gonna love and so are you. Now I have showed a few Jello treats to you guys. I have showed you the whipped cream with the nuts. I have showed you the cream cheese mixed through. But this one here, look at this. First off, isn't it gorgeous? Now, I probably could have done it in a smaller jar or added more Jello, but I didn't have a smaller one. But it's got 3 flavored Jellos to make it look pretty. And what it is sugar-free Jello done in orange, green, and red. So for the spring and the summer, these would be a great treat to serve to your company or to your children or even for yourself, just to have a wonderful treat. Now Jello is basically water. And then I have put 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Okay, and a squirt of stevia. I have had this. This is absolutely delicious, and I can't wait for you guys to try this one. Now, you could do 1 tablespoon so that it wouldn't be as heavy of a fat, but for your guests and your children, definitely serve 2 so it goes all the way through and looks absolutely beautiful like that. I am not going to try this on here for you guys. I'm sorry, I've already had it. It's delicious. I showed you guys that heavy cream and nut video that I did. That heavy cream can just be done with so many different recipes. But I am doing a certain thing this week that I talked to you guys about. I will explain more in my Thursday's healthy eating show, my mukbang. I will talk about what I'm doing this week to get the last of my weight off. So I don't want to eat this. I've already broke my fast. I'm already closed that window and I can't have this while I'm doing this certain thing to get the last of my weight off. A perfect thing to do when you're down to your last 5 to 10 pounds. And I know I'm finally going to hit that goal, so I'm excited. Probably some boring meals this week, but in a little bit of repetitive things, but that's okay because I'm excited and I can't wait to hit my goal. But anyways, this treat, you guys, definitely try it out. You can definitely buy the smaller mason jars at the dollar store or get those little glass containers to serve them in, or even the round ones. These would be so pretty to serve for your guest. Like I said, it's just a beautiful treat. Look at how pretty it is. So pretty, you just want to eat it. Or you don't, you just want to look at it. It's so pretty. But I do have a little slideshow showing what I did. I just chopped up. You do have to use the sugar-free pre-made Jellos. You cannot make boxed Jello because it's got the wrong sugar in it. But these pre-made ones are okay to do. I just cut them inside the container. I show you how I do that. Poured it in, starting with the orange, then the green, then the red, so that the colors wouldn't, the orange and the red were so close to color. But did that, and then I poured 2 tablespoons of heavy cream and a squirt of stevia over it, and it is beautiful. So I will also link down in the box how to make the recipe too. I always make it easy for you guys. I did have a different treat planned for today, but they were sold out. I will do it in 2 weeks when I go back to the sweet treat again. I'm sorry, but I know I've done a lot of Jello treat ones, but Jello is so great because it's basically water. And yes, for those of you that are trying to save on fat, remember this is a treat. A treat, so once in a while. And if you want to save on that treat, then just use a half a tablespoon over 1 Jello. So then you can still have that and squirt that little tiny bit of stevia in it to even sweeten it more. I have had this without the stevia. It's just as delicious, but my nephews really like it like this. My nephews, all of them eat it. They love the taste of this. And when I tried it with the stevia, I liked it even more because of course the Jello is sweetened, but you add a little bit more of the liquid stevia. You basically have 0 carbs here, you guys. 0, because there's nothing in the Jello. Heavy cream does not have any carbs, and the liquid stevia does not have it. The packages do. Now, if you were to do the whipped cream, you're saving on sugar here because the whipped cream does have 1 sugar. And of course, cream cheese, you need a little bit more, so it's a little heavier fat compared to this. But you can do the low-fat cream cheese as well, the one I showed you. But this one here, like I said, do 1 Jello, do 2, and just pour a half of a tablespoon on. It still covers everything. I just did 2 to make it presentable for you guys and pretty. So you could definitely save on fat, but isn't that gorgeous? I just want to eat it, but I won't because I'm tough and I'm strong and I'm going to get to my goal this week, and I can't wait to explain it to you guys in Thursday's video, and then of course Saturday and Sunday when I load the other mukbangs. Sorry I don't have a table here in front of me. I'm down in my room because everybody's home and making a lot of noise, so I had to come down to my salon to make this video. But anyways, I hope you guys will definitely try this out. Your kids will love it. Save carbs for your kids and save the sugar. They will eat this. Every one of my nephews and nieces love this. They don't even realize that it's not sugar. They don't even realize, and they don't realize there's no carbs in it. So make this for them. Make it for your family. You got lots of different holidays coming up. Hey, we just got over Easter, but we've got the 4th of July coming up. Make this for 4th of July in pretty little containers and serve it, and help even your guests to eat low carb. At least save on some of it for them. So, but anyways, if you are new to my channel and you need a little bit of help, I do link my email down in every one of my boxes. If you don't understand the keto, you can definitely send me an email and I'll help you. But I do load many keto mukbangs, recipes, treats, and I talk about my journey, and I do update things, and I also do keto live questions and answers to help you guys. But if you still don't get it and you still need help to understand macros and everything for each person, it's always going to be different due to weight, age, height, sex, gender, all of that. So, well, sex and gender, same thing. But anyways, if you do need help, I'm always available. If I don't get back right away, please just understand I will see your email. I'll shoot you a quick message saying I got it, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I love to help as many people as I can to be tough and strong and be able to have all these delicious recipes. So shoot me an email if you need any help. Other than that, I hope everyone is doing well, and I can't wait to see all of you in my next upload. God bless and take care. And always remember, everybody, to keep it keto.